Namaste, Namaskar, Swagatam, Vanakkam, Bonjour, Buongiorno, Buonasera, Buonanotte, Suprabhat, Shubdinam, Wa More, I believe in Africans, something like that. Nice to have you all back for the Vishwa Yoga Prarthana. And what better way to get the day moving forward than to be with people who love, live, and share yoga. I think that is the greatest blessing we can have in our life. Let us begin. ॐ तद्गणेशाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात् ॐ तत्परम्पर्याय विद्महे ज्ञानलिङ्गेश्वराय धीमहि तन्नो गुरुः प्रचोदयात् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ. Let us perform the pranava. Breathing out, breathing in. 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 The final round. Breathing in. Setting yourself gently into the Sukhasthanam, your comfort zone where you can just be yourself. No dichotomies, no distractions, no deviations. Just you being you. Find that sweet spot of comfort within yourself, that abode of ease. Settle yourself into that space. A beautiful space of balance, harmony, grace, ease, beauty. A sense of stillness. That stillness is the sthirata. And that sense of ease is the sukhata. Sthirata and sukhata. Sthira, sukham. Establishing yourself in your sukhasthanam, which is your own asana, your state of being. Asi, to be. Having settled yourself into your Sukhasthanam, begin to generate a beautiful sankalpa. A sankalpa of wellness, harmony, peace, ease, and abundance. Wishing well for all living beings in this cosmos. Being a well-wisher for all beings. What a noble intention that is. To be a well-wisher for all beings. Using our superpower, being human, the power of choice, to create this seed, a seed of aspiration, a seed of affirmation, a statement of purpose that is satkara, that is evolutionary towards the higher sattva, moving from tamasika through rajasika to sattvika, just as the lotus moves from its base and the mud at the bottom of the lake through the waters and finally at the surface opens up to the sun. Let our sankalpa grow and evolve. Evolve out of the mud. Evolve out of keeping your nose in the mud. Get your nose out of your mud. Let it come up through the waters and look up and see the light. Not just see the light, go towards the light and at one point become the light. When you become the light, there is no shadow. And let your luminosity, your Jyoti Swarupa, illumine all beings. May all beings be illumined. May their path be illumined by your nobility. Go into that manifestation of nobility. We human beings long ago were Homo erectus when we first stood up. Then we said we are a bit wise. We called ourselves Homo sapiens. And we decided we are very wise. We said Homo sapiens sapien, the wisest of the lot. Self-praise. Well, we need to grow beyond that into Homo nobilis, the noble human beings. That is what yoga is all about. That is what spirituality is all about. And as we go into that noble version of humanity, we start to love unconditionally, we share unconditionally. We become a giver, not a grabber. We move from the survival mode to a mode of mindful living, and we become a well-wisher for all beings in the cosmos, supporting their health, wellness, wholesomeness, prosperity, abundance, and joy. What a beautiful sankalpa that is, to grow into being someone who can be the support system of all beings in this cosmos. May we be that highest version of ourselves. May we be the light onto ourselves, in a light that can shine in the lives of those who need the light, to help them find their own inner light. May we be the best version of ourselves and enable others to be the best version of themselves, strengthening every link in the chain of humanity to overcome the present challenges and future challenges. May we all grow together and glow together. May that be the reality. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Loka Samasta Sukino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukino Bhavantu. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you so much for being with me today. Some very beautiful thoughts were flowing today, and thank you for being the catalyst for those thoughts to flow through me today. I offer my gratitude to each and every one who comes into this magnificent team, a team for humanity. Dhanyavadaha, Shukriya, Grazie, Merci, Thank you, Nandri, Vanakkam.